Ever found yourself needing cash or wanting to speak with a banking representative, only to realize you have absolutely no idea where the nearest branch or ATM of your bank is? It's a surprisingly common situation, whether you're traveling, just moved to a new neighborhood, or simply haven't paid attention to the local landscape. And if you're a Bank of Montreal, BMO, customer in Canada or the United States, that's precisely the question we're tackling today. Where can you find the nearest BMO branch or ATM? This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it can actually throw a wrench in your plans. Imagine trying to split a bill at a cash-only restaurant or needing to pay for an unexpected expense. Not knowing where your bank's resources are located can lead to unnecessary stress and wasted time. You might end up relying on less convenient and potentially more expensive options, like out-of-network ATMs with hefty fees. Fortunately, BMO, being one of the major banks in North America, offers several convenient ways for you to locate their branches and ATMs. In this video, we're going to explore all the methods you can use, from the traditional to the most high-tech, ensuring you're never caught off guard again. Whether you prefer tapping on your phone, speaking to a virtual assistant, or even making a quick phone call, we've got you covered. Let's start with the most intuitive and widely used method in today's digital age, the BMO official website and mobile app. If you have access to the internet, the BMO website is your first and often most comprehensive resource. Simply navigate to BMO's official homepage. Look for a section typically labeled Find a Branch/ATM, Locations, or something similar. Banks usually make this information easily accessible due to its importance for customers. Once you're on the Locations page, you'll likely be presented with a few options. The most common is a search bar where you can type in your current address, city, or postal/zip code. The website will then use this information to generate a map displaying the nearest BMO branches and ATMs in your vicinity. Many BMO websites also offer filters to refine your search. For example, you might be able to filter by specific services offered at a branch, such as foreign exchange, safety deposit boxes, or financial planning advisors. You can also typically filter specifically for ATMs, which is handy when you only need to withdraw cash. The map interface is usually interactive, allowing you to zoom in and out, click on individual locations for more details like the address, phone number, operating hours, and available services. Some websites even provide directions directly through integration with mapping services like Google Maps. Similarly, the BMO mobile app, available for both iOS and Android devices, offers a seamless way to find nearby branches and ATMs. Once you've downloaded and logged into the app, look for a Locations or Branch/ATM Finder feature, often found in the main menu or on the home screen. The mobile app usually leverages your phone's GPS capabilities to automatically detect your current location, instantly displaying the nearest BMO options. This is particularly useful when you're on the go and don't have a specific address to input. Simply open your preferred map application and type BMO branch or BMO ATM into the search bar. Make sure your location services are enabled on your device, and the app will display nearby BMO locations on the map. While less common in today's digital world, you can also refer to your BMO account statements or welcome package. These documents often list nearby branches or provide a general overview of BMO's presence in your area when you initially opened your account. While this might not be the most immediate solution when you're out and about, it can be a useful reference point, especially if you haven't moved recently. Finally, if you're unable to access the internet or a smartphone, you can always contact BMO directly via phone. The customer service number for BMO is usually listed on their website, your bank card, and your account statements. When you call, explain that you're looking for the nearest branch or ATM, and the representative will be able to assist you based on your current location, if you can provide it, or an address you specify. Now, let's consider some additional tips and tricks to make finding a BMO branch or ATM even easier and more efficient. Firstly, familiarize yourself with the BMO presence in areas you frequent. If you've recently moved or started working in a new location here in Lagos, or anywhere else for that matter, take a few moments to identify any nearby BMO branches or ATMs. This proactive approach can save you time and stress in the future. Secondly, if you travel frequently, it's a good idea to check the BMO network in your destination beforehand. A quick search on the BMO website or app before you leave can help you identify convenient locations near your hotel or planned activities. Thirdly, be aware of BMO's partnership with other ATM networks. In some cases, BMO customers can use ATMs of other banks within a specific network without incurring additional fees. Knowing these partner networks can expand your options when you need to withdraw cash. You can usually find information about partner networks on the BMO website or by contacting customer service. Fourthly, take advantage of the Save Location or Favorite Branch features in the BMO mobile app if you regularly visit specific branches or ATMs. This allows for quick and easy access to their information in the future. Fifthly, remember that branch hours can vary. Before visiting a branch, especially outside of typical business hours, it's always a good idea to check their operating hours on the BMO website or app to avoid any inconvenience. Sixthly, consider the specific services you require. Not all branches offer the same services. If you need something specific, like foreign exchange or access to a safe deposit box, use the filters on the BMO website or app to find a branch that provides those services. Similarly, not all ATMs accept deposits, so if you need to deposit cash or a check, ensure the ATM you choose offers this functionality. This information is usually available in the ATM details on the BMO website or app. Finally, remember that BMO is a significant financial institution with a widespread presence across Canada and the United States. This means that no matter where you are in these regions, you are likely to find a branch or ATM relatively easily using the methods we've discussed. So, the next time you find yourself wondering, where is the nearest BMO branch or ATM, take a deep breath and remember the tools and techniques we've covered. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual who prefers the convenience of the mobile app, or someone who prefers the directness of a phone call, BMO provides multiple avenues to help you locate their services quickly and efficiently. From the comprehensive website to the handy mobile app, the reliable online map services, and even the simple act of asking for directions, finding a BMO branch or ATM is easier than you might think. By familiarizing yourself with these methods and keeping our tips in mind, you can navigate your banking needs with confidence, no matter where you are. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.